So today we're going to dive into the all-new Volkswagen Transporter 7th generation T7 edition. This is a Highline model, fully spec'd, loads of new features. Let's go and take a look. So the all-new T7 Transporter, as we all know, shares a platform with Ford and the Transit Custom, so you might see some similarities in the exterior, the infotainment system and a couple of other bits. This one, however, completely different to anything you're going to see on the road. So we spec this for a customer with a full David Spear Black Edition pack with body kit, upgraded alloy wheels, some real road presence. So exterior wise on these all new Transporters, you've got nice sleek lines on the front end. You've got bi-neon headlights. We've added these really cool front canards and sporty front splitter. Coming along to the side, you've got colour-coded wing mirrors, upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels, and these side skirts which really set the van off. So just coming onto the back of the Transporter, so this is where we really see a difference. So you've got this all-important tailgate, which this vehicle's been spec'd from factory with. So it comes with a glazed window. We've added this really cool sporty rear roof spoiler, the rear diffuser, and as always at David Spear, if a customer asks, we deliver. So we've added this tow bar for this customer who's going to use the vehicle to tow. So just coming on to the interior, these new Transporters. This one's been spec'd with 2 seats. I quite like it. I really like the steering wheel as well. Multimedia screen is cool, big touch screen, really interactive. So this wouldn't be a proper van review without talking about engine options. This one is a 2-litre diesel variant. There is a fully electric model, and there's also talk of a hybrid model coming into the market as well. So if you're looking for a Volkswagen Transporter, it's more than likely that they've got you covered. First impressions, really good. Driving position is really nice and high. Clear visibility of all the road out through the windscreen. Steering wheel's probably one of my favourite things, as I mentioned earlier, about the interior. It's a nice, fully leather steering wheel. All the multimedia screen and everything else is controlled on the steering wheel as well. This is a 150 PS model, so it is a little bit more powerful than your standard ones. If you are towing or if you're using this every day, then you've just got that little bit of extra power. It's not trying to be too exciting, it's not trying to do anything fancy, but it just does everything really well with these 2-seat models as well, 2-seat variants. You've just got that extra bit of space in the middle of the cab as well. One other thing to add, there is a lot of cup holders in this interior. There's a lot of different compartments as well and storage spaces, and every time you look, something else pops up. If you're using this every day, you're going to be sat in the cab for long journeys, then it's the ideal office on wheels. So final verdict on the all-new T7 Volkswagen Transporter Highline. It's an amazing commercial vehicle with loads of road presence, really comfortable, and all the tech you can ever need from a commercial van. Plus, if you spec it right at David Spear, yours can look exactly like this. Follow us for more upcoming content. I'm Elliott Spear. Thanks for watching.